your drone footage is looking shaky, boring, or not quite cinematic, chances are you're making at least one of these mistakes. The good news is, every one of these is easy to fix. In this video, I'll show you the 7 most common mistakes I see and how to fix them.
Biggest mistake, flying way too fast. Fast feels exciting when you're flying, but on camera it just looks rushed and messy. Slow everything down and suddenly your footage looks far more cinematic. Mistake number 2, flying without intention. Don't just move the drone. Decide what the shot is before you take off. Are you revealing something, following something, framing something? Every movement should have a purpose. Next, jerky stick control. Small, gentle inputs make a huge difference. Think of it like this: your fingers are the camera operator. If your footage looks too sharp or jittery, your shutter speed is probably too high. For smooth motion, you want to follow the 180-degree rule. That's where ND filters come in. Lighting is everything. Midday light is harsh, flat and unforgiving. Early morning or late afternoon, that's where the magic happens. Flat shots with no depth can look, well, a bit boring. This shot looks flat because there's nothing between you and the subject. Add a foreground element, trees, buildings, anything, and suddenly your footage has layers and depth. And finally, relying on auto settings. Auto can be helpful, but if you want consistent cinematic footage, you need to take control. Shutter speed, ISO, white balance, these all matter.
So, fix these 7 things and your footage will instantly look better. You don't need expensive equipment, just better technique. If you're just starting out, I've put together a step-by-step beginner series. I've also got a ND filter calculator that you can download, that you can use out in the field even without a signal. All the links are in the description below.